Today, I'm going to be hooking up smoke detectors. Two of them is going to be carbon monoxide. The one's just outside of the bedrooms have to be carbon monoxide also. I'm going to be using 14-3 wire. These on standby don't even pull a tenth of an amp. So it don't take a big wire to do. They're a 3-wire connection. You'll have your red wire. This is why you have to use like a 14-3 or whatever. The red wire on the wire that you use is the signal wire, where if one goes off, it triggers the rest of them. Okay, other than that, then you have your ground, or your ground and your hot. That's about it. They plug in. Really simple. Oop. Plug in just like that. Push them in. It's got a little tab to lock them in place. I don't want to push them in yet. So I've got to put some boxes up to run my wire into. That's about it. Alright, I've got it hooked up where it'll be a switch light. That way if we turn on the light, if it's not working, we know the breaker's tripped or something like that, or it gives me a better indication that the smoke detectors are not working. The white is the 14-3, the yellow is the 12-2. I've done hooked my grounds up, grounded the box. Gonna hook these up. These are my hot wires. I've done stripped them. Give me a wire connector. It's my neutral. This is a signal wire where if one smoke detector goes off, it causes them all to go off. So this is that wire. Alright, that's wired up. Now all I have to do is wire each one of them up at the box. Okay, if it's a metal box, you'd have to ground it, but it's not, so you don't have to. Red wire goes to the orange. Tug on it, make sure it's good. White's white, that's your neutral. Black is your positive. All right. Now I got to do the bedrooms and the living room. This is actually in the kitchen. The kitchen one has to be, I think they say 10 feet from any cooking to keep from false alarms going off. Same for a bathroom. It's not required to have one, so you don't have false alarms going off on it. I know that some smoke detectors, the moisture in the bathroom can cause it to trip and sound off as a fire. All right. That pretty much has it. It's that simple. If y'all would, like, subscribe. Have a good day and stay healthy and God bless.